Hey guys, welcome on back. Today we are going to be doing kind of like a vegan vegetable topping that you can put on rice, that you can put on mashed potatoes, that you can just eat by itself. You can use this for a lot of different dishes, but just to kind of run you through some of the good things that we have today, we're going to have some Roma tomatoes, we're going to have some red pepper, some green pepper, some lime. I have some just regular, already sliced portobello mushrooms. I got some yellow onion and I got some white onion. Once again, my recipe, you can switch it up however you want to do it, but this works great. If you wanted to throw some meat in it as well, a good example of throwing some meat in it is actually putting in some nice salt fish. That would actually go really good with this. But anyways, let's go ahead. We're gonna chop everything up, get everything ready, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so now we got everything pretty much chopped up. We're going to go ahead and we're going to set the fire to kind of like a medium high heat that we're going to be putting it on. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our grapeseed oil. You know, we only use grapeseed oil because it's the best oil to cook with. We'll go ahead and drizzle a little some of that inside of the pan. Also, we're going to go ahead and grab some squeezed garlic. We're going to get some granulated garlic that we have here. Also, we have some onion powder. We have some black pepper, of course, and slap yo mama, of course. Great Cajun seasoning. Just remember, it has a lot of salt in it. And of course, my father's famous pepper sauce. First, guys, we're going to go ahead and throw some garlic in the pan and just kind of mix that around, get everything nice and sauteed in there. Let the oils really take in some of that flavor. And then we're going to toss everything right on in. We're going to put the tomatoes, the onions, going to put all that in. And we're just going to go ahead and mix that around a little bit. And next, we're going to go ahead and throw the rest of the onions, peppers, everything else, pretty much all of our vegetables. We're going to throw all of that right in there. And we're going to go ahead and start mixing this up until it cooks all the way down, guys. Now that we got everything kind of mixed up, let's go ahead and add in our seasonings. Let's throw some of that onion powder right in there. A little bit of that garlic powder we're going to put in there. And of course, some black pepper. No measurements, just doing it how we want to do it. I know I like a lot of black pepper. Let's do a little extra. And of course, slap your mama. Once again, slap your mama has salt in it, so be careful. You want to put some in, kind of know what you're putting in, and then later on you can taste and kind of do how you want to do it. But let's go ahead, mix this up. Getting real nice. Excuse me, steam getting in my face a little bit, making a little choke a little bit. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and mix this up. Let's go ahead and grab these beautiful, beautiful mushrooms. And yes, guys, I chopped up everything. Everything was diced and chopped up to its smallest form. I really want this to be a really nice topping. We're going to go ahead and mix all of this in. We're going to let all this cook down a little bit more. And then we'll throw in the rest of our ingredients in a second. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab our spinach and we're just going to put some spinach in there. And you can add spinach a little here, a little there, because as you know, spinach is definitely going to cook down. It's going to release a lot of that water into your sauce, but this is just going to add another texture, another flavor. I love spinach. I love when you just, spinach by itself is great. You can cook it with lemon, a little olive oil, just drizzle some olive oil after you're done cooking it. Amazing, really good. But let's cook this down and I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Now that we got the spinach all cooked up, let's go ahead And let's grab a little bit of salt. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of that pink Himalayan salt inside there. And of course, my favorite, I love a little bit of lime and everything. It gives that little acidity that you need for anything. You don't got to put it, like I said, guys. This is my recipe. This is what I eat. This is what I like. Do it how you want to do it. It's up to you. But we're going to really squeeze all that beautiful lime juice inside of there. It's really going to bring out a lot of that flavor. And let's just spin it around, get it all mixed up. And then we're going to cook this up, and then we're going to add the pepper sauce in just a second. Alright guys, let's go ahead and grab us some of this pepper sauce. Now let me tell you, this thing is fire. As you can see, I'm not taking a lot. This thing is fire. I know my father puts all types of bird eye pepper and habanero pepper and all this stuff in it. Trust me, do not overuse. If you have West Indian parents, you know what I'm talking about. If you come from West Indian culture, you'll understand that pepper sauce is something serious, but it packs a lot of flavor. But we're gonna go ahead, mix this up, get this ready to throw in a bowl, and we're done. There you guys have it. Beautiful, delicious vegetable topping. You can put this on anything you want, guys, but this is a nice healthy option. And I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Tailor it to how you want it. But until the next time, take it easy. And once again, I am not a chef. See you guys soon.